You want to hear something shocking? 3 stocks right now could be sitting on the edge of a massive bubble. And if you're invested, this could hit your portfolio harder than you think. Let's start with the first one. Its price has soared to levels that make even its most optimistic earnings look small. People are buying it because everyone else is buying it, not because the business is actually growing at a sustainable rate. That's the classic bubble trap. The second stock, social media hype is driving the price, not fundamentals. People are pumped up by stories, viral posts, and hot tips, but the company itself isn't showing the growth to justify this frenzy. When reality hits, the drop will be swift. And the third stock is struggling under its own weight. High debt, slowing revenue, and shrinking margins make it vulnerable. One economic hiccup, one market correction, and that price could collapse faster than most expect. Here's the takeaway. Don't get caught up in hype. Look at the numbers, understand the risks, and always remember, when something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Protect your money, stay rational, and always plan for the bubble before it bursts out. First stock on our radar is trading at a valuation that's absolutely off the charts. Its price-to-earnings ratio has soared far above historical averages, meaning investors are paying an extraordinary amount for every dollar the company earns. In simpler terms, people are valuing it as if its growth will continue forever, ignoring the reality that no business can sustain such exponential growth indefinitely. What's really concerning is the psychology behind the buying. This isn't driven by fundamentals or solid performance metrics. Instead, it's driven by the fear of missing out, by watching others make money and rushing in without fully analyzing the risks. Every time the stock climbs, more people jump on board, creating a feedback loop that inflates the price even further. Analysts often warn about these situations because when a stock reaches such unsustainable levels, any small disappointment in earnings or guidance can trigger massive sell-offs. Historical examples show us that these bubbles don't last and the corrections are brutal. While it may feel like the stock will keep climbing forever, the truth is the market eventually catches up. Investors who ignore these warning signs often face steep losses, especially those who enter late in the frenzy, mistaking hype for genuine opportunity. Timing and discipline are critical in navigating such extremes. The second stock is a textbook example of hype driving price rather than actual business performance. Its popularity has skyrocketed, fueled by viral social media posts, trending discussion threads, and retail investors jumping in because everyone else is buying. The company itself, however, isn't demonstrating the kind of growth or revenue expansion that would justify these sky-high valuations. When a stock becomes more of a story than a business, it's extremely vulnerable. People are chasing excitement, not examining balance sheets, cash flow, or profit margins. This creates a fragile situation where sentiment can change in an instant. One disappointing earnings report, a shift in market sentiment, or even a skeptical analyst report can trigger a rapid sell-off, as we've seen countless times in market history. The danger here isn't just that the price is high, it's that it's held up by collective optimism rather than fundamentals. Investors need to be extremely cautious in these scenarios because the moment confidence wanes, the stock can collapse much faster than it rose. Understanding the difference between hype-driven momentum and true long-term growth is crucial. Those who enter without this perspective are taking on risk they may not fully comprehend, and loss in these situations can be swift and severe, affecting both portfolios and investor confidence. The third stock stands out because its fundamentals are showing clear signs of weakness, despite its lofty market valuation. Revenue growth is slowing, profit margins are tightening, and the company carries a significant debt load, all of which make it highly vulnerable in a market downturn. Investors often get distracted by eye-catching headlines or impressive stock price gains, overlooking the deeper financial health of the company. When a stock trades at such elevated levels without strong underlying performance, it becomes extremely sensitive to even minor negative developments. A missed earnings target, rising interest rates, or a small economic slowdown can trigger sharp declines. History has shown that companies with stretched valuations and weak fundamentals are often the first to suffer when the market corrects. Even if the stock appears resilient in the short term, these underlying issues create pressure that can lead to steep sell-offs. Savvy investors focus on analyzing balance sheets, cash flow, and sustainable growth, rather than getting swept up in market sentiment. Understanding the risks tied to debt, slowing revenue, and declining margins allows investors to make informed decisions. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to serious financial setbacks, particularly for those who assume the price will continue to rise without consequence. The risk of a market correction is perhaps the most critical factor to consider when looking at these overvalued stocks. Even the strongest performing companies can see sudden and significant declines if overall market conditions shift. When stocks are trading at extreme valuations, they become highly sensitive to changes in investor sentiment, economic indicators, or unexpected news events. A minor pullback in the market can snowball into a much larger sell-off because many investors may be leveraged or heavily concentrated in these high-risk positions. Bubbles are often sustained by optimism and momentum, but that fragile support can vanish quickly. Historical patterns reveal that markets rarely move in a straight line, and periods of euphoria are almost always followed by corrections. Investors who ignore this risk can face rapid losses as panic selling accelerates decline. It's not just about the individual stock's performance. It's about the interconnectedness of the market and how fear spreads. Preparing for these corrections involves assessing exposure, understanding the underlying fundamentals, and maintaining a disciplined approach rather than chasing short-term gains. Recognizing the early warning signs and acting proactively can protect both capital and peace of mind, making the difference between weathering a downturn and suffering unnecessary financial damage.